Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Respected teacher, honorable principal, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jusra Judoon from class 9. Today the speech of my topic is Practice Makes a Man Perfect. The proverbs help us a lot and guide us how one should lead their life. Practice makes perfect. There is a fact that teaches that we can be the master of anything only by practice. Whether it is a revising our test or participating in practical life solution, no man has become wise on the first time. You need a lot of practice to master anything. Only practice makes perfect. For this, we need patience. Practice with patience will lead to top level success that we expect. The best example of practice is our great leader Qaid-e-Azam. The success in his life is not happen in a single day. He made it with his continuous work and practice. Slow and steady always win the race. Hence, we always remember that practice made perfection. We may face failures at the beginning if we did not take the right decisions to practice. At last, we should keep our mind that no person or student born with knowledge or skills from day one. We learn by practice, continuous knowledge and improvement. So, my fellow students, focus on your practice to become A+ students in academic life. Thank you.